No. Welcome to Abby's Way. Today we're going to play billiards.
Wow, billiards. You know how to play billiards?
Yeah.
How do you play billiards?
You need to make this triangle, and then you need to do this white ball and then break the triangle.
Can you try it? Can you show us how to do it? We don't know how to play billiards, Abhi.
Why?
Is it a billiard date?
Yes.
With who?
With everyone.
With everyone.
Yeah.
So you're supposed to put all those balls in the triangle
Yeah.
to make it look like a triangle?
Yeah.
Okay. And you know the number of the balls?
Yeah.
What's it? Number?
Like this is 10.
So number 1 to number 15? You know they're also known as stripes and solids. There are many, many games Papa can teach you with billiards.
Yeah. Many like this.
There's stripes and solids, there's killers, there's magic 8 ball, there's 9 ball, there's so many games you can play.
See, like this.
That's a strike.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And this is also a stripe.
that's right. And can you show me a solid? Those are solids, that's right. That'd be very good.
This is a stripe or a solid?
That's a solid.
This
There's no
is
stripe, it's a solid.
this-
Okay, so let's put it in.
Yeah. Take the white ball.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And put these two, and one.
Okay, and then we fix it, I guess. We put it this way, over here. Okay. Oops, careful.
See there.
Okay. Okay. All right. So now we have the billiard table ready.
Yeah.
And do you want to go first, my friend?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you have to hold the stick properly. And then you have to shoot. Oh, scratch. You didn't make a good shot. Is it Papa's turn?
I do not. Yeah.
Okay, so now that it's my turn, let me do. Okay, let's do this. Oh yeah, I got one.
And the thing out here.
Okay. Now, no, I won that, baby. I have to keep on playing. That's how you play, right? The person who gets the most number of balls wins. I have 1, you have 0. It's my turn again. Can I try?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! Like,
Whoa.
oh! Scratch. Where did the white ball go? Oh no! Too much. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so what Papa had was a scratch. So it's your turn, Abhi. You can put the white ball wherever you want. And you have to take out the 2 balls that Papa put in.
Huh. One ball is coming down and then.
Okay. Okay, so now it's your turn. So Papa only has 1 left. Oh, how many balls did Papa put in? Oh, so many.
Yeah.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, so I fill up the triangle.
No, don't have to put in a triangle anymore. You just have to continue playing.
Right.
That's how you play billiards. Okay, go for it. Whoa, 1. Okay, again. 2, 3, again. Whoops. Did that go in?
Yeah.
4. One more time. Okay, nothing went in. Papa's turn. Thank you. So, Ashley, Abhi, you're supposed to play it like this. You're supposed to hit the white ball. Ah, almost. You have to hit it with the white ball. Whoops. Oh, scratch. I'm sorry. Should Papa try again?
Yeah.
Balls down.
Yeah.
You want to cheat and put all the balls down?
No, I want to see something.
Okay, do it. Oh.
So they all go out there.
And then where did they go?
They go here through the hole.
Can I see the whole other side?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. And that's where you take them out.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. So, this billiard game is actually a really, really cool tabletop pool. As you can see over here, which Abhi got as a gift. So, save it up in a snap, set it up in a snap. No screws or tools needed. Something very cool to play with your kids.
And it is also 6 plus.
Age is 6 plus, and you're only 4. And you're pretty good at this, so I guess by the time you become 6, you'll be pretty good at this too. Right?
Yep.
Okay, my little billiard player. Say bye for now.
Bye.